Good afternoon, all of you. Because of some work with in the college, I could not take the live class, and it is continuation of yesterday's concepts. What are the concepts? If the angle in a trigonometric ratio is in the form of even number of 90s plus or minus x, odd number of 90s plus or minus x. I think you have gone through that. So unless you are thorough with the theory part of any topic, application becomes complicated. Sir, which method we have to apply? Even number of 90s or odd number of 90s, means whichever you feel convenient. The only difference is, if the angle is in the form of even number of 90s plus or minus x, we get the same ratio. If sine is given, we will be getting sine. For cos, we will be getting cos. Tan for tan, and like that, the remaining reciprocals also. And already you know how to find the position of the terminal side of a huge angle. I made you draw figures, so only for this purpose. Now, after knowing the number of 90s plus or minus in the given angle in the ratio, you have to find in which quadrant the terminal side lies. And you know AST 0. If the terminal side is in the first quadrant, all ratios will have positive sign. If the terminal side is in the second quadrant, only sine and its reciprocal are positive, all are negative. And if the terminal side is in the third quadrant, you know that third quadrant belongs to T, means tan and its reciprocal. And like that, fourth quadrant. So we need the background of all these things. Okay, now you see. First you observe. I work out all these problems which have come in the exercise. Sine 765 degrees. I will be showing in both forms, even number of 90s and odd number of 90s, so that you can know that any method can be applied, because the answer must be the same. Whether you count that as even number of 90s or odd number of 90s, there won't be any change in the final answer. Now 765, you must be thorough with additions and subtractions. I write this as sine 720 plus 45. 720, how many 90s are there? 9 tables is required, 9 8s are 72. So 8 90s are there. Means even number of 90s. So this you can write as, not required but still I am writing 8 90s plus 45. Whenever the angle is in the form of even number of 90s plus or minus x, that x is nothing but 45 now, we get the same ratio, means this is nothing but sine 45 degrees. 890s plus means more than 890s, you must have this knowledge. For every one rotation, 490s, another 490s, 890s plus means the terminal side of the angle lies in the first quadrant where all ratios are positive. So this is nothing but sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Okay. Then I work out this in the other way. Sine 765 degrees can be written as sine 810 minus 45 degrees. 810 minus 45 is how much? 765. Now you have sine 990 minus 45 degrees. Odd number of 90s I am writing now. So when we have odd number of 90s, we get cos for sine. Because the given ratio is sine, we will be getting cos ratio. So this is equal to cos 45. Don't consider the sine. When it is plus or minus, we have to take only x. Means 45 degrees. Understand? Now, 990 minus means less than 990. 4, 8, 990. But it is less than 990 means, is there any change in the figure? It's the same figure. Now you are getting cos 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2. Observe there is no change in the answer also. This is how you have to think. Next I move on to second question also. Second question. Cosecant minus 1410 degrees. Whenever the angle is in the negative form, first you apply sine of minus x, cos of minus x, tan of minus x formula. Already I gave them even yesterday, I discussed them. Now, cosecant minus x is equal to minus cosecant x. So, you will be getting this as minus cosecant 1410 degrees. This is nothing but minus cosecant 1440 minus 30. This is what I said, you must be thorough with additions and subtractions. This is nothing but you must know 16 tables. Cosecant 16 nines are 44. 16 90s are 1440 minus 30 degrees. Now you have even number of 90s. So whenever you have even number of 90s, you will be getting the same ratio, means this minus I am writing here, cosecant 30. 1690s minus means less than 1690s. 4, 8, 12, 1690s. But it is less than 1690s means the terminal side will be in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, cosecant is minus. According to ASTC rule, don't forget this. Fourth quadrant belongs to cos only. But it is cosecant means reciprocal of sign. So it will have negative sign. This minus is from the beginning. And one minus is coming because of the position of the terminal side. So this becomes minus into minus plus. This is cosecant 30 degrees is equal to 2. other form. Cosecant minus 1410 degrees is equal to minus cosecant 1410 degrees is nothing but minus cosecant 1350 plus 60. 1350 plus 60 is how much? 1410. Now this is nothing but minus cosecant 1590 plus 60, odd number of 90s. So we get the given ratio is cosecant. So we will be getting secant. Minus remains as it is. This is secant 60 degrees. Okay. Now 1590s plus so already we have seen 4, 8, 12, 16. But 1590 plus means this quadrant. Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant secant is positive. But you should not consider the derived ratio. You have to consider the given ratio. Given is cosecant. Cosecant in the fourth quadrant is negative. So you must give a negative sign. This is very important. Secant is positive. But what is the given ratio? Given ratio is cosecant. Cosecant in the fourth quadrant is negative. So you have to give a minus sign for this. Minus into minus is plus. Secant 60 degrees is equal to 2. I'll be working out one more problem. The remaining two you try. I'll work out problem number 5. Cot minus 15 pi by 4. First of all, cot of minus x is equal to minus cot x. We apply that formula. So this is equal to minus cot 15 pi by 4. So 15 by 4 means 15 divided by 4 is nothing but 4 3s are 12. Remainder is 3. So you can write this as minus cot 3 pi plus 3 pi by 4. Now this is nothing but minus cot 3 pi. Each pi is equal to 2 pi by 2, 290. Means you will be getting 2 into pi by. Pi means 290s. So how many 90s? 6 90s. Plus 3 pi by 4 is 135. Means pi by 2 plus 45 degrees. Means this is what you will be getting. So totally minus cot 6 pi by 2 plus 1 pi by 2 is 7 pi by 2 plus pi by 4. You must be thorough with these things. In the beginning also, while giving the values, I wrote 0 means 0 radians, 30 degrees is pi by 6 radians, 45 degrees is pi by 4 radians. You know how to convert radians into degrees also. Then you can convert and write also. Now, 790 means odd 90. For count you will be getting 1, 10. Now, where does the terminal side lies? 790, 4, 5, 6, 790 plus fourth quadrant. This is 15 pi by 4. Fourth quadrant, tan is, cot is negative. So, it will be getting minus. Minus into minus is plus. You are getting tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. The other way. Now, odd number of 90s I wrote. Even number of 90s, let us check. Cot 15 pi by 4 is nothing but cot 4 pi minus pi by 4. 4 pi minus pi by 4. 4 pi for means you will be getting same ratio, means cot pi by 4. Now, given as minus. Two pi, another 2 pi. 2 pi means 360 degrees means 490. Less than that. The angle lies in the fourth quadrant. No change in the figure. So, fourth quadrant cot is negative. Minus into minus is plus. Cot pi by 4. This is equal to how much? 1. Is there any change in the value we observe? So, this is the advantage of allied angles. So, try the remaining 2 problems. You work these problems once again. Read the concept and work these problems. Then only you can have proper understanding. So, please don't neglect. You complete them. And if you complete them, keep in the WhatsApp. But when you keep it in WhatsApp, give a call and tell me, I am so and so, sir. I kept it in WhatsApp. Okay.
18 minutes.
Huh?
18.
18 minutes, sir. Call, sir.